Is the XRP price going to skyrocket? If you've been following the cryptocurrency market closely, you might have noticed something weird occurring with Ripple's XRP. Investors, experts, and crypto enthusiasts have all been watching the cryptocurrency's price rise. Previously perceived as the buzz about a promising digital asset is growing daily, and it's already making waves. XRP meteoric rise has everyone asking if this is the beginning of something truly unprecedented. In the past, its price has fluctuated wildly and erratically. Many times, XRP has shown that it may surprise market participants. So, what's different now? At this point, industry insiders are predicting that XRP potential price increase to $60,000 is more than just wishful thinking. The cryptocurrency industry is experiencing rapid transformation, and XRP is prepared to capitalize on the upcoming investment and acceptance surge. Everything is in place that might cause such a dramatic increase. As the network of collaborations expanded, so did the interest from institutions. The charts and the experts agree. Ripple is making a strong push for global financial solutions, and XRP ascent to unprecedented heights is just the beginning. Is everyone really getting their wish fulfilled at last? When XRP does what it was meant to do and soars to heights nobody could have imagined. In any case, you can find more information about it from this source. Considering it, be careful, because this might be the beginning of a great thing. In contrast to other digital currencies, Ripple and its token XRP have always prioritized privacy and decentralization. Transforming international money transfers has always been Ripple's top priority. Among the Ripple Labs, inefficient, time-consuming, and costly international money transfers were a major issue for the XRP development team. Faster, cheaper, and more secure transfers across global financial institutions are possible with XRP thanks to its decentralized network. An excellent feature of XRP is its ability to provide a real-time settlement system that circumvents the conventional methods. Business practices eliminating intermediaries for Ripple to continue growing. Partnerships with major banks and payment processors are crucial. In order to facilitate cross-border transactions, numerous international financial institutions have already used Ripple's technology. Some even utilize XRP to facilitate transactions between other currencies. With so many individuals using Ripple's network, XRP has a lot of potential. In comparison to competing coins that aren't always approved by big banks just yet, one possible explanation for Ripple's potential future value increase is the cryptocurrency's growing prominence in global finance. The demand for XRP, which could lead to an increase in price, grows as its practical applications become more apparent. Due of Ripple's goal of improving financial procedures, an up-and-coming digital currency that is gaining traction among users worldwide, it's possible that XRP will cause a paradigm shift in our views of money and conventional banks. These days, it's not only about a digital asset, it's about creating a worldwide financial system that benefits corporations and individuals alike by facilitating easier, faster, and cheaper transfer funds across accounts. The more widespread adoption of Ripple by financial institutions for everyday transactions, the more XRP's value may increase. A lot of people, including investors and analysts, were taken aback by the abrupt increase in XRP's value during the past several months. A cryptocurrency that was previously relatively unknown is now capturing the interest of investors around the globe. Many things, both within and outside of Ripple's network, have contributed to its meteoric rise. To begin, a growing number of major financial institutions have begun to back Ripple. The result has been an increase in demand for XRP, which has driven up its price. As more and more individual investors seek lucrative alternatives to Bitcoin and Ethereum, the coin's price has risen in tandem with their interest. Many people prefer XRP because of its low fees, increasing number of practical applications, and quick transaction speeds. A number of recent court rulings have also contributed to XRP growth. By recent victories have greatly improved the market's perception of Ripple and XRP, despite the fact that Ripple has faced several difficult battles. In the ongoing legal action with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, for instance, investors' trust has strengthened following a winning conclusion. This has contributed to the price of XRP reaching new highs as Ripple has continued to win important cases. With its ongoing legal battles and regulatory explanations, the price is expected to rise even further as more institutional and retail investors get interested in buying. But there are other considerations besides the legal issues. The value of XRP has increased due to the increasing number of enterprises utilizing Ripple's blockchain technology. This is due to Ripple's efforts to expand its network and establish additional collaborations with international financial organizations. A growing number of individuals are considering XRP as a potential intermediary currency for cross-border transactions. Relationships formed between Ripple and major corporations and countries demonstrate that this is more than a fad in the cryptocurrency space. It's a movement with the potential to revolutionize international banking. The upward movement of XRP is guaranteed by the fact that this trend is here to stay. Even more unstoppable, however, is XRP capable of reaching $660,000? Let's have a look at what could be triggering this steep increase. To start, XRP markets itself as a comprehensive financial solution, not merely a cryptocurrency. Ripple is ideal for financial institutions and payment processors since it is quick, inexpensive, and easy to scale. The demand for Ripple's coin XRP will continue to rise as more service providers adopt the company's technology, which can lead to a price increase. If Ripple, for instance, were to become the de facto norm for global payments, XRP value and demand would explode. As a result, its price will rise as more individuals, companies, and organizations utilize it for international transactions. There is a current window of opportunity for XRP to gain further integration into international monetary systems. As Ripple's connections with banks and payment providers continue to expand, the usage of XRP will also rise. As Ripple continues to secure major partnerships with major financial institutions and solidify its position as a key player in global payment networks, the value of XRP will increase in tandem with its practical application. Worldwide applications that are fueling demand, there is a good chance that XRP's value will increase dramatically as the market starts to trust it more. Not to mention, the victors in court. After years of legal limbo, Ripple has taken a significant step toward XRP future. Regulators now see Ripple with more clarity thanks to the company's efforts. Companies typically steer clear of assets that could be impacted by regulation.